Muthee Kiengei broke down in tears while preaching last Sunday to a point where arambire kurugamia service nigetha atarĩrie the congregation why he is in so much tears. And this is because of baby Maithori, a little boy whom Muthee Kiengei helped fundraise for him to go to India to receive treatment. And the boy actually had only less than a month. The doctors had concluded that he only have less than a month to live. And the mom had no funds to cater for the boy's medication. Kiengei arauga mbere na thutha mami wa kahĩĩ gaka arĩ na ciringi 700 tu. And once Muthee Kiengei stepped in with the help of his followers, his fans, and also other supporters, they were able to raise funds for baby Maithori. And he was able to travel to India with his mom, whereby he received treatment. And in 1 month's time, the boy has changed so much. He's recuperating so well. There's so much progress. Here he is. And Muthee Kiengei niahotirwo muno ni uhoro ucio, and he took to his Facebook page to say, "Before I begin my mass today, baby Maithori from Muram Gatondo South is back from India. Look how handsome and healthy the boy is after undergoing several heart surgeries." Maithori and his mom touched the JKIA this morning. What a miracle in the morning. A boy who had only 1 month to live will now live and grow to testify what the Lord did in his days. God, you have been so good to me and to my ministry. May your name be praised forever. To everyone who helped in raising over 2 million for Maithori, feel appreciated and blessed. Muthee Kiengei cried so much as he narrated baby Maithori's painful story to his followers and the congregation at church. At the same time, he couldn't hide his joy for how far baby Maithori has come. He has been through so much, but finally he's back in the country. He has received the treatment that he deserved, and by God's grace, he will keep getting better and better.